second heat in this division just approaching Reservoir. This is the start of the third heat in this division. And these were the halfway scores. Claremont in the second race, the one that's now heading up Reservoir. Claremont at 49, Dana Hills at 74, Royal at 90, Glendora 95, Canyon 141, Walnut 6.
Most important part of the race, right here. 10:47, 10:48.
Stand his back. Stand his back.
Most important part of the race, right here, this back stretch. Keep it up, let's go, Jake. You got a big pack. So you can either, I don't think so.
Push it! Come on, Aiden! You're gonna have to fight it! Come on, Seatbelt! We got a shot! Go, boys! Come on, Aiden! Go with the knee! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Top 10! Come on, Jordan! We got it done! You gotta keep it rolling! Keep it rolling, buddy! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Every guy, every second! It's gonna be good! Go get it! Keep pushing! Keep pushing! Let's go!
Get tough. Hurt more. Come on. To that pack. Get to that pack.
Every second!
Catch up.
Every guy, every second!
Make it happen. Let's go, Nate. Get up here. The team needs you. Come on. Go catch some guys. Make it happen.
You got this, Daniel! Keep running! Listen, we are a team in 6th place. Any guy you pass can make a difference in scoring. Come on, you gotta go for it, man.
And then a good battle, Hart, Citrus Valley, El Toro, and Thousand Oaks. But Ventura well in control of this team battle. They were the leaders at the halfway point. And looking at El Toro, Thousand Oaks, Hart, Citrus Valley, and West Ranch, all here battling out. Only 5 automatically move on. All wins the race. Atticus Hall, 15:41. Romero, he goes under 16. He gets second, 15:56. Hardline of El Toro, third, 16:02. Wanlas of Newport Harbor in fourth, 16:03. Issa of West Ranch, fifth, 16:04. Khalifa of Citrus Valley, 16:12 and sixth. Rippey of Norco, 16:16 and seventh. Jacobian of Ventura, 16:21. His teammate Bastor, 16:23. Despain of Hart, 16:24. And then the third, fourth, and fifth runners for Ventura, Costa, Grossman, and Hamill at 16:25 and 16:28. Mead of El Toro goes 16:34. Ventura, the only one with 5 across so far. El Toro and Hart now with 5 runners across the finish line. Thousand Oaks, 5 runners across the finish now. So far, Ventura, El Toro, Hart, Thousand Oaks, Citrus Valley with 5 runners across the finish.
There's a lot of fun fact in this Bronco sport. It's got a ton of horsepower. I love it. Alright, now we're getting here. Now we're getting the fun stuff. Yeah. I like how we can get over or around almost anything. Yeah, I do. Super big.
Looks better and better for Citrus Valley here right now. We've got Ventura, El Toro, Hart, Thousand Oaks, Citrus Valley, West Ranch, Edison, and Villa Park in with the 5 finishers. And Citrus Valley holding on to that 5th spot right now.
Keep moving, keep moving. Great job, keep moving, guys.
Let's go, Brad!
This is our unofficial team scoring here in that 3rd heat, but most of the runners have finished and almost all the teams have had their 5 runners cross. We've got Ventura, the winner, at 48 points, El Toro second at 82, Hart third at 91, Thousand Oaks fourth at 100, and then Citrus Valley, outstanding race to get that 5th spot at 129, and right now in that 6th spot, Newport Harbor at 183, West Ranch 186, and Edison 190. We'll have to see where that plays out. We'll get that 6th spot compared to the first 2 heats, and we'll have our 16 qualifiers.
Yeah, for real. There we go, y'all. We'll go ahead and get some water, y'all. Hey, great race, fellas. Great race.
Okay, there's a lot of punch packed into this Bronco sport. It's got a ton of horsepower. I love it.
Come on, my man. Come on, my man. Finish.
Now we're getting here.
Now we're getting finish all the way through.
Yeah.
There we go. Finish. Great job, buddy. Get some water, all right?
Yeah, I think you're right.
Finish.
Super big.
There we go, my man. We'll go ahead and get some water, all right? Great race. There we go. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go. Get to the line.
And our 6th place fastest team in Division 2, Westlake. So Westlake will be moving on to next Saturday's championship final.
Let's finish all the way through. Get to the line. Get to the line. There we go. Come on. There we go. Finish all the way through. Great job, my man. Go ahead and get some water.